There's so many other things you could do. 20 to $30 million per facility. You could build 1,400 to 2,100 industrial facilities, aka factories, scholarships, all this stuff. You can keep going down the list. And one of the things that's interesting to me is 42 billion is a big number, but I bet that's nothing compared to the amount of money that we've generated through hip hop culture. Bet well over several, 2, 3, 4, $5 trillion has been created with the amount of music that we've done, a lot of singing and dancing and rapping and twerking that we've done for 50 years. And you can't point to a single factory, school system, HBCU endowment, or anything that's been funded by the hip hop music industry. You can't. You can't. And a lot of that comes back to the word poor. Poor stands for passing over opportunities repeatedly. So remember, income is not wealth. Income is not wealth. Income is not wealth. So because income is not wealth, income becomes the opportunity to have wealth. And when the income comes in and the rappers rapping about Louis and Gucci and throwing it up at the club, then what he's basically saying is that I want to be such a slave that every opportunity I have to be free, I want to throw it out the window. Every time the prison guard hands me the keys, I'm going to take the keys and flush them down the toilet